Today, we will explore 5 meaningful symbols from the Akan people of Ghana, each carrying a profound message about life, wisdom, and spirituality. Our first symbol is Jinyame, which translates to accept God. This symbol expresses the omnipotency and supremacy of God. Jinyame reminds us that only God has the power to shape our destiny. It's a powerful symbol of faith, humility, and reverence, grounding us in the belief that ultimately only God holds the control over our life. We have Sankofa, which teaches us the importance of looking back to learn from our past. Sankofa is often depicted as a bird turning its head backward or a heart-like shape. It represents wisdom in using our history as a tool to shape our future, reminding us that it's never too late to return to our root and correct mistakes. And Stroma, meaning child of heaven, is depicted as a star, symbolizing the divine guardianship over all. It's a reminder that we are all children under the greater universe, loved and protected by higher forces. It brings comfort and a sense of connection with the divine. Fahudie, meaning freedom and independence, capturing the spirit of self-reliance and liberation. This symbol is a powerful reminder of our right to freedom and responsibility to preserve it. It reflects the pride in being independent and the empowerment that comes with it. Finally, we have Matemesi, meaning what I hear, I keep. This symbol represents wisdom and knowledge and good judgment. It suggests that true understanding comes not just from hearing but from keeping and applying what we learn. Matemesi calls on us to be perspective, thoughtful, and wise in our action. So these are the Adinkra symbols that I have for you today. We're having so many Adinkra symbols, but I selected these Adinkra symbols to explain it to you. Let us know your favorite Adinkra symbol in the comment section, and we will get back to you right away. We're also a tour operator in Ghana that we organize tours for diasporas and schools and also the locals as well. So if you want a holiday planner in Ghana, just reach out to us and then we will have a very cool itinerary and also affordable for you as well. Our tours runs throughout the year, so any month in the year that you would want to come for the tour, just let us know and we will have it for you. We also have a virtual museum for people that they are unable to afford to come for tours in Africa. So we organize this virtual museum for people and also people living with disabilities as well. This virtual museum is for them. We are also having another most widely spoken language classes for people in Ghana. So if you are a diaspora and you want to learn Chi, the most widely spoken language in Ghana, just let us know and then we will have these classes for you. Thank you so much for joining us. Kindly subscribe to the channel, share the videos with others so that whenever that we post a new video, you will be notified to learn more about the culture of Africa. This is Cybertalk speaking. Thank you so much and I love you so much. Bye for now.